Welcome back to the Yukon Project. We've analyzed millions of credit reports, hundreds of thousands of people's financial information, and designed programs to help improve people's financial lives. Today, we're going to look at the pros and cons of consolidating credit card debt with the loan from Prosper. One pro of using Prosper is that they offer APRs ranging from 8.99% to 35.99%. If you have a strong credit profile, you may be able to secure a rate at the lower end of that spectrum, which could save you money compared to high interest credit cards. But even if you only have fair or good credit, you could be approved. The average FICO credit score for Prosper customers is 680, which means they could lend to some customers with credit scores as low as 620. Another pro is that Prosper offers loans between $2,000 and $50,000. This wide range means that they may be a good fit whether you have a small amount of debt to consolidate or a more significant amount. If you have more than $50,000 in credit card debt, though, I would recommend consulting a certified debt counselor at a nonprofit organization. They can help you think through your options. Prosper also allows cosigners on their debt consolidation loans. A cosigner is someone who agrees to take responsibility for the loan if you can't make the payments. If you can get the loan that you need without a cosigner, it's often better not to entangle a loved one in the process. Not just any cosigner will help, though. The best cosigner would be someone with a higher credit score, a lower debt to income ratio, and a higher income. If they have one or more of those things, they can improve your chances of being approved, getting a competitive APR, or borrowing a larger loan amount. Now let's consider some of the potential cons. Prosper charges origination fees between 1% and 8%. The origination fee should be accounted for in your APR, so it's not in addition to the APR. The other thing you need to know is that the origination fee is deducted from your loan proceeds before you receive the funds. For example, if you borrow $10,000 with a 5% origination fee, you'll actually receive $9,500, but you will still owe $10,000. Origination fees are quite common, but not all companies charge them. If you are offered two loans with the same APR, the one with the lower origination fee is better, especially if you plan on paying off your loan early. Prosper also charges several other fees. There's a late fee of $15 or 5% of your unpaid amount if you miss a payment. If you pay by check, there's also a fee of $5 or 5%. And if a payment attempt fails, you'll be charged $15. Of course, we always hope to never have to worry about these fees, but things happen. Being late on Prosper payments can really add to the cost of borrowing. Another potential drawback is that Prosper doesn't offer direct payoff of your credit cards. You'll receive the funds and need to pay off your cards yourself. Some people prefer the convenience of having the lender handle this process, but there's another reason why it's good that a lender offers this service. It means that they understand that the loan is meant to replace other debts and won't be added to your existing debts. This should make it easier to be approved for a loan. Unfortunately, Prosper doesn't offer this service. Lastly, keep in mind that Prosper can take up to 5 days to make a lending decision and 1 to 3 business days to disperse your funds after you accept the loan. Now, it's possible that the decision can be made in the same day that you apply and that you can receive the money the very next day, but it isn't guaranteed. The process could take up to a week. If you need the money immediately, you need to be aware of this timeline. The most important thing you can do when considering credit card debt consolidation is to shop around and compare offers from multiple lenders. At the Yukon Project, we've tried to make shopping around easy. If you visit our marketplace page, you can apply to any one of our featured lenders, and we'll check your rate with dozens of other lenders behind the scenes. This uses a soft credit pull, so it won't impact your credit score. We'll then show you all of your personalized offers so you can choose the best deal. I have a final thought about consolidating your credit card debt. When companies promote their credit card debt consolidation loans, they usually lead with the benefit that it will simplify your payments. While consolidation will definitely do that, It is important to remember that this is not a good enough reason to consolidate in and of itself. The real point of consolidation is to pay off your debts, and that will simplify your life. So don't just consolidate so that you will have fewer bills to pay. Consolidate when it will help you pay less interest, make bigger principal payments, and pay off your loans sooner. If you found this video useful, please like it and consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.